So now we are going to talk about World War II. Okay, like how in World War I there were two groups. Even in World War II, there were two groups. One was Allied Nations. Okay, and the other one was Axis nations. Okay, Allied nations had England and it had France, while the Axis nation had Germany, Italy and Japan. The war was going in full swing. Now, as you all know, the biggest nation, okay, was America. America was not in war, okay, and did not do anything, okay. America was like, I don't want to be in war, I don't care whether you all are fighting, whatever you all are doing, don't involve me. America had a neutral stand. Neutral એટલે એકઈ સાઈડ નહોતું, ના આ સાઈડ બી નહીં, ના આ સાઈડ બી નહીં, okay. It was nowhere. What did Japan do is, there was an American harbor. Harbor એટલે એ જગ્યા જ્યાંથી boats, જ્યાંથી ships આવે જાય trade માટે. That is called a harbor, okay. From where the ships go and come for ટ્રેડ, અને એ હાર્બરનું નામ હતું પર્લ હાર્બર, વિચ વોઝ ઇન અમેરિકા. ઓકે, જપાન થોડુંક દોઢું થયું, ઓકે, એને પર્લ હાર્બરને અટેક કર્યો. Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. America, which was on neither side, got angry. Because America was never in the war, neither America wanted to be in the war, then why the hell is Japan attacking Pearl Harbor, which is in America? America gets angry and joins Allied nations, okay, and says, okay, abhi to main badla lunga, I am going to take revenge, okay. America had nuclear bombs, which was earlier never used in any war. Okay, that is your atom bomb and your nuclear bombs. What does America do is, Japan ni બે cities હતી. Okay, there were two cities in Japan. That was Hiroshima and Nagasaki. આ બે Japanese city ઉપર America throws their nuclear and atom bomb. Okay, there is destruction. Normal citizens die, okay. Normal citizen, why do normal citizens die? Because the bomb is thrown on the city. 1,24,000 people died in Hiroshima, Nagasaki. It is believed કે એ એટમ બોમ્બ કે ન્યુક્લિયર બોમ્બની એટલી ઇફેક્ટ હતી કે અત્યારના પણ જે આ બે જગ્યામાં જે છોકરાઓ બોર્ન થાય છે, the children which are born in Hiroshima and Nagasaki are deformed એટલે હાથ ન હોય, અમુકના પગ ન હોય. Why? Because એ જે ન્યુક્લિયર વેપનની ઇફેક્ટ હતી એ પેરેન્ટ્સના જીન્સ સુધી પહોંચી ગઈ છે. Okay, and the effect was so bad that even till today is 2020, the children, some of the children have defects found because of America throwing bombs on Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Obviously, it was a big damage done. Japan could not stand it. Japan leaves the war, okay, and Japan leaves the war, okay, and with this, slowly the other nations also, they leave the war and they surrender, okay, and with this the war comes to an end in the year 1945, okay.